Hey, 7th grade, happy Friday. This is for Friday, September the 11th. Just in case you couldn't get on the Zoom call for our live lesson today, I just kind of want to show you what we were up to today. We started off by watching this Greek myth about Talos, the first robot, our mythical robot. We watched that and discussed that to start class on our myths. Then we moved on to talking about a little bit of history. I did intro two cities for us today, Athens and Sparta. We watched this video, Athens and Sparta, by Mr. Corwin down here. So you can always look that up on YouTube and catch up. And that was just kind of a taste of what we're getting into next week, just a little sneak preview. No new assignments on that one. And then I did take us to the assignments page. So if you go to Canvas and hit World History, it'll pop up and look like this. Hit course modules. You can go to week 3. And then you can go, if you want to go to lesson notes and links, there's video lessons from this whole week. There's also links to the different Nearpods, so you can find the notes if you need them for any of the assignments. If I hit back, go back out to the module. Down here for assignments, there's 2 new ones this week. Obviously, check Hack for your old grades and your old assignments, and all that stuff's still on Canvas. You can still find it and submit it. But here is the new stuff for this week. The first one, here's the directions for the modern polis, where you're basically drawing your neighborhood and your city and labeling it like it's an ancient Greek city, making that comparison. Videos right here on how to do it virtually. If you want to do it virtually, you don't want to hand draw. And then yesterday, on Thursday, I introduced the ancient Greek government comic strip. We watched a couple different types of we watched a video on a couple different types of ancient Greek government. If you need a refresher or just need some information for your project, if you type in ancient Greece government in 5 minutes or less, it should pop up. You should be able to find us by the Mr. Granito right here. Okay, so check that out if you need a refresher. It's also all the info is on the Nearpods, and I did update it with a code, so you should be able to get in. But here's the basically instructions on how to do this, or checklist of everything you need. If you want to do it virtually, this shows you how to use Storyboard, and make sure you use the free version, and you can watch that. If you just want to draw this, that's fine, and give it to me as soon as you see me. Or if you have another program on your device that you like to use better for comics, that's fine too, as long as you can share it with me. All right, folks, as always, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email. I would love to help you. All right, have a good one.